everyone. Welcome to the English Speaking Show. Today, we will help you speak clearly and confidently in daily conversations.
Hi, Ella, and hi to all of you. You will learn simple sentences, real examples, and small confident steps you can use every day.
Jake, when do you feel the most nervous speaking English?
The first hello. Always the first hello.
Then let us fix that together. Give me a confident hello.
Hello.
Good, but it sounded like your voice was unsure.
Yes, my voice is nervous sometimes.
Do not worry. Your voice will feel stronger with practice.
If our lessons help you, you can like and subscribe. It supports us and brings you more easy English every week.
Now, let us start with a small real-life moment. All right, Jake. Imagine you walk into a cafe. You see the barista. What do you say?
One coffee, please. Small, maybe.
That sounded like you were asking for a favor from a king.
I just do not want to sound rude. My voice always shrinks in cafes.
Let us make it grow. Try again. Short, clear, confident.
I would like one coffee, please.
Perfect. You sound like a calm adult human. Good start.
But what if the barista asks something else? That is when panic arrives.
Then we practice. I will be the barista. Ready?
As ready as a terrified customer can be.
Hi, what kind of milk would you like?
The normal one? The cow one.
The cow one. I love it. Everyone would understand.
So that is fine, even if it sounds funny?
Of course, use the words you have. Then, if you get stuck, just smile and say, "Sorry, I am still learning English."
Sorry, I am still learning English. Okay, that actually feels good to say.
Yes, because it shows you care and you are brave enough to keep talking. Anything else for you?
No, thank you. That is all.
Great. That will be $3.50.
Oh, I only have a 10. Keep the change.
Look at you, confident and generous.
Wait, she took my 10 and gave me a look like I just tipped $1 million.
That is because you just paid $7.50 for confidence.
Most expensive lesson ever.
But worth every cent. You ordered, you answered a follow-up, and you survived the bill.
True. And next time I will even count my change without shaking.
That is confidence, Jake. Calm voice, clear words, and a smile that costs nothing.
Good, because I am broke after that coffee.
All right, Mr. Generous Tipper. That was quite a moment in the cafe.
I spoke 5 words barely and forgot half of them.
That is still progress. Now let us build a little more confidence in your sentences.
Build how? Like grammar push-ups?
Kind of. You start with one short line and add small, natural details.
I would like coffee.
Good start, but make it polite.
I would like coffee, please.
Nice. Now add one more word. What kind of coffee?
I would like, brown coffee?
Brown coffee. Well, technically correct, but we say black coffee.
Right. Black coffee. Okay. I would like 1 black coffee, please.
Great. Now make it friendly. Add a greeting at the start.
Hello, coffee.
You just greeted the drink. Try, hello, how are you today to the person, not the cup.
Right. Hello, how are you today? I would like one black coffee, please.
Excellent. That already sounds warm and confident.
Should I keep going? I can say, it smells nice in here, or your machine sounds happy.
Maybe just the first one. The machine does not need compliments.
Got it. Hello, how are you today? I would like one black coffee, please. It smells nice in here.
Perfect. That is polite, clear, and friendly. A real conversation.
I like this. One extra line makes it feel real.
Exactly. Confidence grows with each small detail you add.
Okay, one more detail coming. Hello, how are you today? I would like one black coffee, please. It smells nice in your, what is the word? This place with tables.
Cafe, Jake. It smells nice in your cafe.
Right, I knew that. It was just hiding behind the machine.
That machine has all your vocabulary trapped inside.
Then I will go rescue it tomorrow.
Good plan.
I think I finally found my brave voice.
You did. You sounded calm and real, not like the panic robot from before.
Thank you. I'm retired from robot life now.
You know, Jake, I was exactly like that once.
Really? I cannot imagine you being shy.
Oh, trust me, my first English presentation was a disaster.
Tell me everything.
I was in college. The teacher said, "Introduce yourself in English." Easy, right? So I stood up and said, "My name is Ella, and I am 20 years cold."
Hold!
Yes, I mixed old and cold. The class laughed for 5 minutes.
That is amazing! You invented a new weather forecast. Ella, 20 years old.
Exactly. I wanted to hide under my desk, but then I laughed too. And something changed.
What changed?
I realized that people were not laughing at me, they were laughing with me. When you can laugh at a mistake, it loses its power.
That makes sense. Confidence is not about never failing. It is about not running away after you do.
Exactly. And I learned 3 small things that always help me now.
Let us hear them.
First, smile. Even a small one relaxes your face and voice. Second, breathe. When you breathe, you give your brain a second to find the right word. Third, keep talking. Do not stop in the middle. Finish your thought even if it is simple.
Smile, breathe, keep talking. That sounds like yoga for English learners.
It kind of is. Confidence is just calm breathing with words.
I like that.
Always, confidence is learned, not born.
Then we are both still learning. One coffee and one mistake at a time.
Exactly. And now that we know confidence starts with small moments, now let us learn 6 words that help you sound and feel confident.
6 words. Okay, I am ready. Sort of.
You will be fine. Word number 1 is confident.
Confident.
It means you believe in yourself and speak without fear.
Like me ordering coffee, finally, with no panic.
Exactly. That was a confident moment. Word number 2 is relaxed.
Relaxed.
When you are relaxed, your voice sounds natural and friendly.
Unless you are too relaxed and snore in English class.
That is one way to practice listening skills. Word number 3 is brave.
Brave.
Brave means you speak even when you feel nervous. Word number 4 is friendly.
Friendly.
When you are friendly, people want to talk to you. Confidence starts with a smile.
So, smile, even if your English is still loading.
Yes, keep that smile while the words download. Word number 5 is polite.
Polite.
Being polite means you show respect. It is a quiet form of confidence.
Like saying please before asking for a discount that I will not get.
At least you will not get it politely. And our final word is positive.
Positive.
Positive means you expect good things and use hopeful words.
Like, I can speak English well instead of I will never get it.
Exactly. A positive mind creates a confident voice.
So let me say them all together. Confident, relaxed, brave, friendly, polite, and positive.
That is the language of confidence.
Can we make our viewers repeat them too?
Of course. Everyone at home, say them with us. Confident, relaxed, brave, friendly, polite, positive.
Nice! You all sound great!
Now it is time to shadow, to practice your confident voice. We will say each sentence once. After each one, you will have 5 seconds to repeat it aloud.
Take a deep breath, relax, and speak clearly. You are doing great.
Sentence 1. Hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
Sentence 2. I would like 1 coffee, please.
I would like 1 coffee, please.
Sentence 3. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sentence 4. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Sentence 5. Can you please say that again?
Can you please say that again?
Sentence 6. I am still learning English.
I am still learning English.
Wonderful work! You just practiced 6 real sentences that make daily English sound confident and natural.
Keep using them everywhere. Cafes, classrooms, or short chats with new people.
Every time you speak, you grow a little more confident.
And the next part will help you test that confidence. Our viewer challenge.
This week, we want you to start one small, real conversation in English. It could be with a friend, a classmate, or the barista who makes your coffee.
Say hello. Ask one question, or just give a short, friendly comment.
And remember, do not wait for perfect grammar. Just speak.
If you forget a word, smile and say, I am still learning English. That is real confidence.
After you try, tell us in the comments how it went. Write one sentence about your conversation. We love reading your stories.
Who knows?
Maybe we will feature your comment in one of the next episodes.
And if today's practice helped you feel more confident, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real English every week.
New episodes come out every week, and each one helps you sound a little stronger, a little more confident.
Thank you for learning and laughing with us today.
Stay brave, stay positive, and keep speaking, even if it is one small hello at a time.
See you next time on the English Speaking Show.
Show.